Oh, you are doing roly-poly with the Angry Bird? You know, Mama won this Angry Bird on St. Kilda Festival for you.
Well, that's exactly how you should be dressed today, Lish. Mulligan.